ready to cash out some of your Ethereum on Coinbase Pro. Let's dive right into a quick and easy guide on how to do it. First, head over to Pro Coinbase and log in using your Coinbase credentials. Coinbase Pro uses the same login as your regular Coinbase account, so it's super convenient. Once you're in, make sure you've selected the correct trading pair, which is most likely ETHUSD. If you want to sell your Ethereum for US dollars, you'll find this on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, locate the sell order form, usually found below the price chart here. You have two main options: market order and limit order. A market order sells your ETH instantly at the best available market price. A limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to sell. The order will only execute if the market reaches that price. Choose wisely based on your goals. Before placing your order, always check the estimated fees. Coinbase Pro has a tiered fee structure based on your trading volume, so be aware of the costs involved. After your order is filled, your USD balance will be updated. You can then withdraw these funds back to your Coinbase account or directly to a linked bank account from the Funds tab. It's that easy.